Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to break down Apache Airflow's key concepts in simple language. Core components of Apache Airflow are DAG, task instance, and operator. Let's talk about the first component, which is DAG. Imagine you have a big data project with many tasks that need to be done in a specific order. A DAG in Airflow is like a roadmap or a flowchart for this project. It shows the sequence in which tasks should be completed, like task A should be completed before task B, how tasks depend on each other, such as task B is depending on task A's completion, when tasks should run, such as daily, hourly, or on specific days. We call this DAG because it moves in one direction and cannot form cycles, like task B is depending on task A and task A is depending on task B. It never happens. Think of DAG as your project plan that Airflow follows to make sure tasks are done correctly and on time. The second component of Airflow is task instance. Each task in your project is called as task instance. Think of it as a specific job or assignment within the project plan. For example, task A might be to download data from the server. Task B might be to process that data and save it to the database. Every time a task is executed according to the schedule defined in the DAG, it creates a task instance. So if task A runs on Monday and then again on Tuesday, each run is a separate task instance. The third component is operator. An operator in Airflow is like a specialized worker that knows how to do a specific task within a task instance. Think of it as a skilled team member who knows how to handle different types of work. For example, bash operator. This operator runs bash command or script. Python operator. It executes Python function or script. SQL operator. Used to run SQL queries. Dummy operator. Represents a placeholder or no-op tasks. Each operator is designed for a specific type of work, and you choose the right operator based on what each task in your project needs to accomplish. In summary, DAG is your project plan, task instances are the actual jobs or assignments within that plan, and operators are the skilled workers that perform specific tasks to accomplish those assignments. Airflow uses these concepts to automate and manage complex workflows efficiently. That's it for our today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and insights in simple language.